Well, folks, I was doing the brakes or the bearings here, and these things are pretty shot. So I put it all back together. Put it all back together for the time being because, hey, you know you can drive it without it. But didn't want to chance it. So I ordered it. So all the hardware came and the new brake shoe pads came. These are the emergency brake shoe pads. Oh, get the glare out of there for you. So I'm gonna put it all back together again, hopefully. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, these right here, let me get a light on here for you. Those two right there is the parking brake cable. Right there. I had to get him back in, and I got him in from the back. As you can see, there's a spring on two of those levers. Yeah, right there. And the way I got him back in was I wiggled it and wiggled it and wiggled it, and it finally went in. And so now the shoes will attach to it on the top. I'll show you out there after I get it installed. Okay. Need both hands for that though. Okay. All right. It helps if you have one of these, folks. Tells you how to, where the springs go and all, in case you forgot. And at my old age, you forget. So here it is. That's how I'm putting it together. And this end and this end go on these two. They have a like an indentation or lip on either side. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get a light on here. There. Yeah, there you go. Either side. That's where it sits. And then right there, it's almost like a regular brake, a regular drum brake you install. You have this pin that goes through the back. The pin goes through the back, and this spring loader will sit up right through here, and it'll hold the brakes. But as you can see where it's, oh, no, you can't. Oh, yes, you can. But right here, and I guess down here too. The pad's right on that when you engage the brakes. So just have to clean that up a little bit and put some of this lithium grease that they provided you with, and we'll be set then. Okay, like I said, need both hands. I tried putting this spring on. I tried pushing this in here. That would come out. So I went out and got myself a bar clamp. So hopefully this will work. Keep that together while I be able to put this spring back on. I've been suffering with this for a while. All right, let's see if this should work. Yeah, never works. I know a lot of you are saying it would have been easier to put these parking brakes on, or get it all set up before I put the hub on. But, no, it is what it is. Okay, folks. Found one of my father's old picks that he made. Straight point. Either I break this point, or it finally goes in. About that. Lost it. Get in there. There we go. Got one in. That's the easy one. All right. Now let's see if I can get you in here. Where is it? Oh, there it is. That's all it took, folks. That's all it took. All right, folks. Got it on. Put the brakes on. I didn't film that because we all know how to put disc brakes back on. And all I have to do now is put the wheel back on, and we'll be ready to roll. Okay. I guess I don't have to show you that part because we all know how to put on and take off a wheel. All right, folks. Later.